These claps are for Silent Mike. Who is Silent Mike? Silent Mike is a great powerlifter. Most of my subscribers should already be aware of him. If you're not aware, check the link in the description to his channel. He's a great powerlifter, lot of knowledge, and I've learned so many things from him. Now, he made a video about how social media posts or pictures just make a fool out of you, and I completely agree, but I feel a little stupid as well, because I've always been wondering some of the transformation pictures, it is too good to be true, right? And I always think critically when I see something, and I always think, it's too good to be true, and I just forget about that. But today, looking at his video, I just realized technology, guys, technology has changed so much in good and bad way, and this is one of the ways that social media or technology has ruined social media. Now this app, I won't name the app, sorry guys, I won't name the app. Why? To simply promote, and most of you guys might actually go and download and use it, but I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do on that, and I hope you're like, oh my god, how is this even possible? And then I'll see you guys. Okay guys, let us first choose a picture. I found this picture online, okay, and this is a black and white picture. Now you'll take the abs, there are different shaped abs, okay, and we'll place it over his abs, okay. You need to be really 100% sure that it looks proper before you even upload it, okay. So you take this and place it over his abs, reduce the opacity, okay, so that it looks natural, okay. This looks natural, doesn't it? Now if you increase the opacity, this is how it looks too fake, right? But it still might fool people, but let us not fool people and let us reduce the opacity, right? And wow, this is how it looks. Oh my god, look at the difference, guys. We'll also do the same for the chest. He already has a decent chest, but since he is insecure, let's increase the size of his chest as well. You need to do the same step. It took me 10 minutes to learn it, okay. Let us place it like so, okay, and just decrease the opacity again so that it doesn't look too evident, and boom, look at this, guys. Oh my god, boom, right? And add a filter, as simple as that. Now let us choose another client. This is a client of mine, that was not my client, but this is a client who's been working hard. You can see his abs are coming out slowly, looks decent, right? Let us take another set of abs and place it over his ab. This is really perfect, guys. You'll see at the end, okay. Now let us, okay, now this looks fine, right? And now let us just reduce the opacity, okay. And since he's not lean at other parts of his body, we can't make it too much, right? So wow, again, now let us slim his waistline, right? Okay, so you place that and reduce the width of his waist. Done. So slowly pull it, okay, keep moving it and adjust it properly so that only his waist gets trimmed. And now you just need to adjust, guys. Oh my god, beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, guys. Now all you need to do is you can even increase the size of his shoulders if you are very insecure, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. You can increase the chest and don't do it too much also, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Now all we need to do is adjust and make him look great. Look at him, guys, look at him. Oh my god, no hard work, nothing is needed, guys. And add a filter. And does this even look edited, guys? Does this even look edited? You guys tell me. Okay guys, so I hope you all saw what can be done with few clicks, downloading the software and just making few changes, moving your fingers like this and like this. And I hope I showed you guys some I gave you guys some kind of reality check. I hope you guys don't blindly trust people. I'm not pointing fingers at anyone. Like this picture of Varun Dhawan, that I was skeptical. I knew something was wrong, and God knows what he might have done. That doesn't look normal, right? So this is one of the example, and I see so many pictures like 10-week transformations, which is not possible in 10 weeks, even with steroids. And these are the things that irritate me, and that's why I make these kind of videos. But yeah guys, it's all upon you whom to trust. But at the end of the day, don't be fooled. If something is too good to be true and too good to believe, then just do not believe that, okay? Things, a human body can't change like that suddenly. And like with my clients as well, people, online trainers, they use it for business. They give free training to a person and tell him, what, I'm going to alter your physique and whatnot, and just post their pictures. And that it saddens me, it hurts me guys when I see things like this. So I don't want to continue this video, just to show you guys. Please share this video so that more people are aware of this. And remember, body or physique doesn't, it's not equivalent to the knowledge that person has. The best and the most knowledgeable people in this fitness industry do not have the best physique. Not talking about myself guys, not talking about myself, okay, I'm talking about other people like whom I always speak about. But anyway, share this video, let me know what you think in the comments box down below. Don't take names, but if you want to take names, you're most welcome. And using filters is fine guys, using filters is absolutely fine, but changing the shape and adding few things, completely against it guys. Let me know what you think in the comments box. See you all, and if you want to know my complete opinion, do check out Silent Mike's video. Thank you guys, namaste, sat sri akal, and peace out.